Well, happy Saturday, everyone. It's Greg Dixon for Trend Trading Freedom, Trend Trading for Financial Freedom. And I'm going to go again. I'm going to go over my results. I've been each week for a while. I've been going over my results with Polar Tensor. Polar Tensor is an AI-driven auto trading platform. It trades the main cryptocurrencies with making what looks like thousands of micro trades in a week. And this has been an interesting week. Here, I'm going to make this full screen, and I'm just going to go over here. So yeah, so you can see here. I'm just going to say I started the week with $5,077 in this here, and the first on Monday, it made a profit of $31.14, and then the next day it made $33.12, and then Wednesday was a bit of a disaster in many ways, and it lost more than it gained in the first 2 days. So that's minus 74.14, but then Friday and Thursday so over 65, and then Friday 62. So overall, I ended up with a net profit of $114 or something like that. Anyway, so the question is, why was Wednesday such a challenge? So I'm just going to go back here, and I'm going to pop up this here. This is from Kraken, and they have a feature called a market. Each of those colored bands represents different types of currencies, including foreign exchange. And this shows quite a bit of chaos here. Like, it's been sort of spiked up earlier in the week, and then down, and then it spiked up a bit. Then it's been on this downward trajectory. And I don't know if you've been trading the stock market. I suspect some similar trends. There's been a lot of chaotic decisions made in the world events lately, and causing a lot of instability. So here, but at the end of all of this, Polar Tensor made a pretty good sense of it. And I don't know what's behind the neural network here. But here, maybe after this loss here, it made some adjustments, so it did better on Thursday and Friday. But the end result is it made money when probably most people were having a hard time making any money with any kind of trading at the time. So it's pretty impressive. I'm going to go to this other tab here, and yeah. So basically, it says I made 116 that week, and now I've made $321 since I started. And I started with $100. I think I had, and then I've been adding money, at least $1,000 each week. And then last week I was trading with 5,000. So pretty good. When trading is live here, it'll show you. It'll show you what's in this feed here, all the individual trades. It seems to trade mostly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. A few other things, Solarium, once in a while. So it's just interesting. Yeah. So if you're looking for a place to put some money in, a few $100s, a few $1,000s, $10,000, this is pretty good. The way it works is it compounds every week. So we go back here. My overall trading volume went up $114 here, and now this is going to start the next week at that. I'm probably going to add in at least another 1,000 and just basically get the whole thing, because my goal here is to eventually generate a living wage out of this thing. So it's going to be a while to get there, but if you're pretty good with a calculator, figure out what compounding of say 3% a week looks like. So that's all I'm going to